Flojet Bottle Pump System Installation. So this is how you install a Flojet Bottle Pump system. The box includes a pump module, 20 feet long of quarter-inch discharge tube, universal wall power transformer, an outlet port fitting kit, a suction band with a universal cap seal, a float switch and a hose assembly. The setup is only for reference, but the actual Flojet pump should be installed either attaching on the wall or sitting inside the counter. Installing is a simple 3-step process. Step 1. Insert the DC plug into the pump module DC in port. Make sure plug is inserted all the way into the connection. Step 2. We will now insert the suction hose and float sensor. Insert the suction hose port fitting into the pump module in port and slide. Locking the port clip in place, push the clip up to lock. Insert the float sensor switch plug into the pump module switch port. Make sure plug is inserted all the way into the connection. Insert the suction hose into the water. Step 3. Now we insert the discharge tube. Place a slotted tube from the outlet port fitting kit over quarter-inch tube. Install quarter-inch tube into the out port. Push quarter-inch discharge tubing all the way into the quick connection port, as far as it will go. To remove the tube from the out, push the slotted tube against the fitting on the unit and pull the quarter-inch tube out. Now we need to connect the power transformer. Now let's look at how to split the water supply. This is a simple 2-step process. In the first step, cut the quarter-inch tube and connect the quarter-inch T connector. Step 2. Connect a quarter-inch tube on the other two ends. You can connect a quarter-inch ball valve on both ends to hold the water flow. Then extend the water supply by connecting a quarter-inch tubes on quarter-inch ball valve. Connecting to an espresso machine is a 3-step process. Step 1. Measure the sufficient length of quarter-inch tube for the connection and cut off the excess. Step 2. Connect the push fitting male nipple quarter-inch into half-inch on the quarter-inch tube. And step 3. Connect the push fitting into the espresso machine's water inlet hose. Connecting to a milk pitcher rinser is a 3-step process. Step 1. Measure the sufficient length of quarter-inch tube for the connection and cut off the excess. Step 2. Connect the reducer nipple 3/8 inch into quarter-inch on the quarter-inch tube. Step 3. Connect the rinser tube on the reducer nipple 3/8 inch into quarter-inch. Lastly, let's connect the water tap font. Step 1. Measure the sufficient length of quarter-inch tube for the connection and cut off the excess. Step 2. Connect the push fitting, the female nipple half-inch into half-inch on the water tap font. Step 3. Connect the quarter-inch tube on push fitting, which is the female nipple half-inch into half-inch. One of the features of the Flojet is that the float sensor stops the pump from running dry once the bottle is empty. You can simply close the ball valve to stop the water supply to any of these outlets. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.